जब लक्ष्मण मूर्छित हुए थे तो हनुमान जी उनके लिए संजीवनी बूटी लेके आए थे। तो आज दिल्ली के बुजुर्गों के लिए मैं संजीवनी योजना का ऐलान करने जा रहा हूं कि 60 साल से ऊपर के हमारे जितने बुजुर्ग हैं उन बुजुर्गों का पूरा इलाज फ्री करवाया जाएगा। इसकी चुनाव के बाद हम योजना लेके आएंगे, योजना पारित करेंगे। वो चाहे सरकारी अस्पताल में इलाज कराना चाहें, चाहे प्राइवेट अस्पताल में इलाज कराना चाहें, उनका पूरा इलाज फ्री कराया जाएगा। इसमें कोई बीपीएल, एपीएल, टीपीएल, आरपीएल कोई लिमिट नहीं होगी। सबका इलाज, चाहे अमीर हो चाहे गरीब हो, सबका इलाज मुफ्त कराया जाएगा। और कोई अपर लिमिट नहीं होगी। आप जितना आपका बीमारी पे खर्चा आएगा उसका सारा खर्चा दिल्ली सरकार वहन करेगी।
Yet another big announcement by the Aam Aadmi Party. It's a bumper season of freebies, if we can call it, for Delhiites after announcing a scheme for the women voters of Delhi. Now Arvind Kejriwal has announced that if voted back to power here in Delhi, all the senior citizens of the national capital will get treatment for free. The Sanjeevani scheme, as Arvind Kejriwal has announced, will cater to all senior citizens who are over and above the age of 60, and this will be a treatment that will be borne by the local government here, by the Delhi government, with no upper cap. So if somebody gets hospitalized, Delhi government is willing to bear the entire cost of treatment. Arvind Kejriwal, while addressing the Delhiites, the senior citizens of Delhi, said that now it's our time to take care of you, and we will do that very soon. Our workers are going to come to your residence, collect your details and give you a card. Keep that card safely, because if ever you are in need of medical attention, that card will help you get free treatment. Now already, like I said, announcement has been made by Arvind Kejriwal for the Delhi women. They will get direct benefit in their account, cash transfer of about 2,500 rupees in their account if the government of the day, which is the Atishi government headed by the Aam Aadmi Party, if they come back to power. So there are freebies being announced for women, for senior citizens, and these have been pet projects of Aam Aadmi Party from the start. Health, education, as well as electricity and water. So already we are seeing announcement as far as health is concerned. Of course, BJP has criticized Aam Aadmi Party for not accepting the centrally offered Ayushman Bharat scheme, also accusing that the Delhi government hospitals have continuously been on a downward spiral. Aam Aadmi Party's flagship Mohalla clinics also have been criticized by the Bharatiya Janata Party. But this offering of free treatment for all senior citizens who are Delhi voters without any cap, could that prove to be a game changer? Could that entice the senior citizens of Delhi away from the Bharatiya Janata Party and get them to vote for AAP? That is the key political question. AAP definitely feels that this is a game changer. There will be economic considerations as to whether this is physically prudent, whether the Delhi's exchequer can bear so much of burden that is being announced. We know that when the women's scheme was announced, the finance department here in Delhi did raise a few concerns whether this was economically viable or not. But now with the second announcement coming in, there could be more concerns. But politically speaking, Aam Aadmi Party definitely feels that it has a clincher in this scheme.